Hello student, in last lecture I explained reagent selenium dioxide SeO2. SeO2 used as a oxidizing agent. Then today I am explaining with you second reagent. Name of this reagent is the osmium tetroxide OSO4. OSO4 is also used as a oxidizing agent. Then first we study here preparation method of osmium tetroxide. Osmic acid is commonly used name of osmium tetroxide. It is prepared by strongly heating osmium metal or its compounds in air. This oxidizes osmium to its oxide. Therefore, osmium metal OS, air plus twice O2, oxidation, formation of OSO4, that is osmium tetroxide. Simple application method: OS plus twice O2 gives OSO4 osmium tetroxide. Then applications of osmium tetroxide. Osmium tetroxide is expensive, highly toxic and volatile. Its vapor are harmful to eyes, so its use is limited to for essential purposes only. For example, fine chemical synthesis and structure determination. Osmic acid is specially used for four reactions. First is the hydroxylation of alkane. Second one is the elucidation of structure. Third is the catalyst. And fourth is the elucidation of structure of unsaturated compound. Then I am discussing with you one by one. First is the hydroxylation of alkanes. Last period we studied SeO2. SeO2 is also used for trans hydroxylation. Here OSO4 used for cis hydroxylation. Therefore, first study hydroxylation of alkane. Most often OSO4 is used for syn hydroxylation, syn or cis hydroxylation of alkenes. Hydroxylation proceeds via the formation of pentacyclic osmic ester of vicinal diols. Therefore, I am taking a general formula: alkene RCH double bonds RCH plus OSO4. Here middle OS and 4 O around it. Therefore, alkene plus osmium tetroxide, formation of a pentacyclic osmic ester. Then this pentacyclic osmic ester further converted to the cis 1,2 glycol. Means for cis hydroxylation OSO4 is used, and for trans hydroxylation SeO2 selenium dioxide is used. Then this is the first application, that is hydroxylation of alkenes. Here second application, elucidation of structure. Elucidation of structure. For elucidation of structure, the fusion pattern of benzene ring in polynuclear hydrocarbons. In last year you studied polynuclear hydrocarbon. Poly means many. Here benzene rings, anthracene, 3 benzene ring attached to each other. Therefore, fusion pattern of benzene ring in polynuclear hydrocarbons can be deduced. For example, oxidation of anthracene by osmic acid OSO4 followed by potassium ferricyanide help to establish fusion of benzene rings. Therefore, I am taking a reaction anthracene in presence of OSO4 and Na2SO3, formation of compound first, and this compound first further reacted with K4 efficient 6, formation of compound second. Here name of the compound second is naphthalene 2,3-diol. Here position number 2 and 3 COH group. Therefore naphthalene 2,3-dicarboxylic acid, not diol. Carboxyl 2 COH group attached at position number 2 and 3. Therefore name of this compound naphthalene 2,3-dicarboxylic acid. This is the compound second. The structure of product naphthalene 2,3-dicarboxylic acid via tetrol first impede the fusion of rings in linear manner. Therefore anthracene structure is the linear in nature. This is the application of OSO4 in elucidation of the structure. Anthracene, in presence of OSO4, formation of tetrol. Tetrol means 4 OH group, that is structure 4, and this tetrol reacted with K4FeCN6, formation of 1,2-naphthalene 2,3-dicarboxylic acid. Then this naphthalene 2,3-dicarboxylic acid via tetrol implied the fusion of ring is the linear in case of a anthracene. This is the application of OSO4 for elucidation of the structure. Then application number third, here OSO4 used as a catalyst. OSO4 used as a catalyst. For example, I am taking here acrylaldehyde. Using osmic acid in small amount of with other oxidizing agent helps to catalyze the reactions economically. For example, in presence of H2SO4, osmic acid catalyzes oxidation of acrylaldehyde. Here hydrogen peroxide reagents. The octavalent oxidizes state of osmium and allows the oxidation to continue. Thus very little osmic acid is sufficient to continuously oxidize acrylaldehyde. Then acrylaldehyde in presence of H2O2 hydrogen peroxide and OSO4, formation of here glyceraldehyde CHO CH COH CH2OH. This is the structure of glyceraldehyde. Acrylaldehyde CHO CH double bond CH2. This structure is called as the acrylaldehyde. Then acrylaldehyde in presence of hydrogen peroxide and OSO4 converted to the glyceraldehyde. Other example I am taking here alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Here 2-methyl-propenyl and benzene oxidized to 2-methyl-propane 1,2-diol and mesotartaric acid respectively formed. Similarly, conjugated double bond compounds are hydroxylated by mixture of H2O2 and osmic acid. For example, I am taking here alpha beta unsaturated ketone. At alpha and beta position, double bond is present. Ketone is a functional group. Therefore, name of this compound alpha beta unsaturated ketone. R2C double bond CH C double bond O R. Here ketone is the functional group. Adjacent to functional group carbon atom is called as alpha. Next is the beta. Therefore, alpha beta unsaturated ketone in presence of OSO4 and H2O2, formation of here alpha beta dihydroxy ketone. Alpha beta dihydroxy ketone. Here ketonic group is the C double bond O is the functional group. At alpha position one OH group, beta position another OH group. Therefore, name of this compound alpha beta 2 OH group. Therefore, alpha beta dihydroxy ketone. Here alpha beta unsaturated ketone in presence of OSO4 and H2O2 converted to the alpha beta dihydroxy ketone. This is the OSO4 used as a catalyst. Then fourth application of OSO4 is the osmium tetroxide is used for elucidation of structure of unsaturated compounds. Elucidation of structure of unsaturated compounds. Here the olefin is hydroxylated. Olefin means carbon-carbon double bond. Olefin is hydroxylated at double bond using osmic acid. Then its cleavage and identification of products formed helps to locate the double bond position in the olefin. This is the fourth application of elucidation of structure of unsaturated compound. We study here only four applications of OSO4. OSO4 is mainly used as the oxidizing agent. Therefore, first application of OSO4 here, hydroxylation of alkanes. Second is the elucidation of structure. Third one is the OSO4 used as a catalyst, and fourth one is the elucidation of structure of unsaturated compound. Means for cis hydroxylation we use the reagent OSO4, and for trans hydroxylation we use the reagent SiO2. Thank you for listening.